Module Tent, a game changer, has arrived. Module Tent, ideal for any scenario. Multiple designs, dome, cube, and pyramid roofs can be freely combined. The highlight smart design Eave beams come with a built-in drainage system. Rainwater flows directly down through beams and columns, hassle-free for daily use. Available in both quadrilateral and hexagonal structures. Supports parallel connection, four-way combination, and customized splicing. Seamless connection enables unlimited flexible space expansion. Fast installation saves time and labor, ideal for both temporary and semi-permanent applications. Perfect for brand exhibitions, mobile offices, VIP lounges, auto shows, and event venues. Liri Module Tents deliver both customization and practicality, meeting all site requirements. Your reliable choice.